Jai Hind dear children, this is Ms. Anna once again with your RFP book, that is Reading for Pleasure Level 2, and the name of the book is The Snow Queen. Okay, The Snow Queen is the book for your half yearly, and your half yearly examination will be in the month of July. Okay, date you will come to know soon. So now children, I'm going to explain it line by line, okay, so that you are clear. In your RFP book there are total 6 chapters. It is divided into 6 parts. Now I'm going to start with the first chapter, and that is A Little Boy and a Little Girl. So this is the story of two children, those who were very little, a little boy and a little girl. The boy was Kay and the girl was Gerda. It was a crowded city with houses with lots of people there. And in that crowded city lived a little girl, as I told you, Gerda, and a little boy called Kay. Kay and Gerda were neighbors and very good friends as well. They lived in the poorer part of the city. They were not very rich, but they loved each other a lot. Their houses were so close to each other that they almost touched. Each child had a tiny room near the roof that they could see each other through their windows. They used to sit and peep each other through their windows. Outside the windows where their parents had planted boxes with the little gardens in them. So outside their windows there were small boxes where the parents had planted the garden, the little gardens. The children grew beautiful roses which bloomed in summer. But the winters were long and bitterly cold. Long and bitterly cold winters. The snow fell from the sky and covered the earth in the winter. The flowers did not bloom. There were no birds, for they had all flown down to the warm countries of the south. Because it was too cold in that country, so they all flown to the southern countries. Okay, now Kay and Gerda had to stay indoor most of the time because the weather was not so good outside. It was snowy, so they had to stay at home, inside the home. Then Gerda's grandma would read out them or tell them a story, or they would sing together also. They would sing a song from the holy book. As you can see this picture, the grandma is telling a story and both the children are sitting and listening to her. It was a cold winter evening, right? So they would sing together from the holy book as well. And so long the winter would pass and spring would return, bringing back the small green shoots on the plants. After spring would come summer. Now the roses would bloom again in the summer. Kay and Gerda loved this summer and waited long for it to come. One cold winter evening, the children were sitting with Grandma listening to a story. They were so happy. But what happened suddenly? Kay felt a sharp pain in his eye, and he was he was so in so much of difficulty that what happened to his eyes? He started rubbing his eyes. The pain was very sharp. He gave a cry and rubbed his eyes, but it still hurt. Gerda tried to clean it, but that did not help either. A few seconds later, Kay said, it's all right now. The pain has gone. He did not tell them that he had felt another pain in the chest also near his heart, on the left side. However, both the pains passed and Grandma took up the story again. But something has happened. He wasn't listening now. He was not as good as he was before some time. He became worse. He made fun of Grandma. When Grandma was telling him a story, he was making fun of Grandma. Oh, this is such a boring, bad story. And he was laughing at Grandma, though he was not like that. But since when he felt the pain in his eye and chest, after that he started behaving like that. Okay, so what happened? Something has happened to him, but what? They all were surprised. He wasn't listening. He became worse. He made fun of Grandma's stories and made ugly faces at her. Gerda was surprised. Grandma was surprised. She could not understand Kay at all, that what happened to you, Kay. When Grandma told them a story about the Snow Queen, he said he called it a silly old fairy tale. This story is of no use. This is a silly old fairy tale meant only for little babies. But I am not a baby. I am a big boy now. This is how he boasted. And even when he pointed out to a shape, Grandma, from the window she pointed out a shape, that see, that shape is just looking like the Snow Queen outside the window. When he looked like it was looking like a tall woman, and told them it was a Snow Queen. He refused to believe. He said, no, it's not a Snow Queen. He wasn't afraid. He wasn't afraid. He boasted. He was trying to show himself. You know what is the meaning of boasted? To talk in proud. He was talking in proud. No, it's not that what you are saying. And he sneered at Gerda. You know what is sneered? He was making fun of Gerda. When Gerda was scared with the behavior of Kay, he was making fun of Gerda. She's scared of me. She's nothing. So this is how he was making the expressions. Now, Gerda sat close to Grandma. She was very scared and let Grandma made her sit close to her, and Grandma kissed her. And she was happy that at least Grandma is protecting me, because she was not feeling secure. Grandma let the old lady hold her, protect her from the strange shape. She was strange. Gerda was very shocked when she saw this strange shape outside the window, to which Grandma called a Snow Queen. You know what happened, dear children? Gerda sat close to the grandmother and let the old lady hold her, protect her from the shape outside made of drifting snow. Those snow was falling. And ice. She was glad to let Grandma kiss her and send her to bed. So Grandma said, she kissed and she said, and now you go to bed. But Kay refused to be kissed. He said, no, don't kiss me, Grandma. I was not ready to be kissed. He was a big boy. He said that I'm a big boy now. And he ran off to the sledge and go out into the street to play with the big boys. What is a sledge? A vehicle without the wheels, which we used to carry in the ice or snow. There we use that. So he went with that and he said, no, I'm going to play with the big boys. I'm a big boy. So this is what happened on a cold winter evening when Grandma was telling a story. And Gerda was shocked when she saw the Snow Queen from the window. She was scared, not only shocked. But children, what happened to the Kay suddenly? Why he felt a quick, sudden sharp pain in his eyes and chest, and how the pain went also, and why he felt all things were bad after feeling the pain, like the whole world was changed for him. Earlier he was a good boy, he was loving all good things, but now suddenly he was not liking anything. He said, no, this is all not good, all bad. So something has happened to Kay. But what? That we will discuss in the next part number 2. And the name of the chapter is The Troll's Mirror. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care, Jai Hind, and keep reading your RFP book. Thank you.